10% of people in the UK own 60% of everything. Not 60% of some things, 60% of all the wealth. That's the world you're starting out in. Let that land for a second. So when people say being broke is your own fault, is that actually true? Or is something else going on? The honest answer is more complicated than either side wants to admit. The average 25-year-old in the UK has about £1,400 saved. That's not because young people are lazy. It's because the maths genuinely doesn't add up the way it used to for previous generations. Wages have barely moved in real terms since 2008. Rent has gone up 40% in a decade. That gap isn't a personal failing, it's arithmetic. The environment you're in shapes what's possible. There are two forces at work on your financial life. Not one, two. And if you only focus on one, you'll either beat yourself up unfairly, or you'll never take any responsibility at all. One force is your personal choices, what you spend, save, and invest. The other is system design, inherited wealth, housing costs, where you grew up, what school you went to. Both are real. People in the top 10% typically inherit around £500,000 by the time they're 30. That's not a reward for good habits. That's a head start that no amount of budgeting can replicate from zero. Your postcode, your school, your family's money. These things shape your starting line in ways that have nothing to do with effort or character. Acknowledging that isn't an excuse. It's just being honest. But here's the thing, and this really does matter. Your choices still move the needle. Not as much as inheritance, but more than most people think when they've given up. The gap between doing nothing and doing something is enormous. Step 1. Track every single pound you spend for 30 days. Not to judge yourself, just to see. Most people genuinely don't know where their money goes. Awareness is the whole first step. Use a free app. Monzo, Emma, or Snoop are all free and work well. They categorize your spending automatically. You don't need a spreadsheet. You just need to look at the number. Step 2. Before you invest anything, build a buffer of £1,000 in a savings account. That's your emergency cushion. Without it, one unexpected bill wipes out all your progress. An ISA, that's an individual savings account, means any money you make on your investments is completely tax-free. No tax on growth, no tax on interest. The government actually gives you this. Use it. Step 3. Put even £25 a month into a stocks and shares ISA. It's not the amount that matters right now. It's starting the habit. Platforms like Vanguard or Moneybox make this easy. The biggest mistake people make is waiting until they earn more before they start. But the habit of saving at a small income is exactly the same habit you'll need at a large one. Start now with whatever you have. Start, then optimize. That's the whole framework. Don't wait for the perfect amount or the perfect moment. The value of starting early, even badly, beats starting late perfectly, every single time. The system isn't fair. That's true, and it's worth saying out loud. But the choice isn't between a fair system and doing nothing. You can see the game clearly and still decide to play it on your own terms. Today, right now, open a free stocks and shares ISA. Vanguard, Moneybox, Freetrade. Takes 10 minutes on your phone. That one action puts you ahead of most people your age who are still just thinking about it.